unlocking the full potential of them for Mac Mini with the Satechi Hub. If you're a Mac Mini user aiming to elevate your workspace, boost efficiency, and streamline your daily tasks, the Satechi Hub built for them for Mac Mini could be exactly what you need. Tailored for creative professionals, business users, and tech enthusiasts alike, this compact accessory blends design and functionality to complement Apple's latest hardware. Designed to expand what the M4 Mac Mini can do, the Mac Mini with Apple's M4 chip already offers impressive performance. The Satechi Hub enhances that by adding critical ports and performance-focused features. With a sleek aluminum construction that mirrors the Mac Mini's aesthetic, this hub fits right in whether it's under your device or next to it on your desk. Comprehensive connectivity for the modern user. One of the standout features is connectivity. The hub includes two USB-C ports supporting Thunderbolt 4, allowing for ultra-fast data transfers, low-latency performance, and support for high-end peripherals like SSDs, displays, and external GPS. It also offers several USB ports for legacy devices, an HDMI port for additional displays, and a Gigabit Ethernet port for reliable wired internet access. For users tired of juggling adapters or limited by built-in ports, this hub offers a seamless solution. Perfect for creative workflows and high-resolution output. Hub's support for 4K output makes it a strong choice for video editors, graphic designers, and other professionals who rely on sharp, accurate visuals. Whether you're editing high-resolution footage, analyzing complex data, or simply watching high-quality content, the visual experience remains premium. Harnessing the power of the M4 chip, Apple's M4 chip delivers exceptional speed and power efficiency. While this chip lives in the Mac Mini, the Satechi Hub helps unleash its full potential. It supports fast file transfers, stable external drive connections, and real-time previews on external monitors, all of which are crucial for tasks like video rendering, large file editing, or software development. A tool for developers, students, and professionals alike, this isn't just a hub for creatives. Developers will appreciate the ability to connect multiple monitors and accessories like keyboards, webcams, and drives. Business users benefit from a clutter-free desk layout and stable connections during remote meetings or presentations. Students and remote workers will value the simplicity of its plug-and-play setup, no drivers or complicated installations required. Durable and purposeful design and functionality, the hub is built with heat-resistant aluminum, ensuring durability and cool performance during extended use. It's compact, discreet, and complements the Mac Mini both visually and physically. The minimalist design contributes to a professional-looking, organized workspace. Real-world multitasking without compromise. Users can connect everything from dual monitors and external storage to full-sized input devices and webcams all at once with no lag or performance drops. Thanks to Thunderbolt 4 and the M4's efficient architecture, even demanding workflows stay smooth and responsive. Considerations and limitations. Of course, this kind of quality comes at a premium. For users with basic needs like connecting a USB flash drive, more affordable options exist. Additionally, the hub lacks an SD card slot, which may be inconvenient for photographers or users who frequently transfer media from cameras. Comparing to alternative, while other hubs like the Anchor Power Expand Elite offer competitive features, they often fall short in design integration and build quality. Generic USB-C hubs can be cheaper but tend to sacrifice performance, aesthetics, or reliability. The Satechi Hub, by contrast, is specifically tuned for Mac Mini users, with carefully considered design and component quality. Who this hub is for? This hub is ideal for users who treat their Mac Mini as a high-performance productivity machine, whether for content creation, app development, data management, or remote work. It's also a great fit for anyone who values stable internet, crisp visuals, and a polished workspace. Built for the future, investing in this hub isn't just about solving today's connectivity issues, it's also about preparing for future advancements in Apple hardware. With a build that's ready to support more powerful systems and faster interfaces, the Satechi Hub offers lasting value. Users consistently report strong reliability, with no issues around overheating or device disconnects. Key takeaways: Thunderbolt for ultra-fast data transfer and premium accessory support for HDMI output for vibrant, sharp visual content, Gigabit Ethernet for dependable internet performance. Multiple USB-A and USB-C ports for flexible expansion. Durable aluminum build that matches the Mac Mini perfectly. No drivers or setup needed, just plug and go. In short, the Satechi Hub transforms them from Mac Mini into a true workstation. Powerhouse. It's a thoughtfully designed tool that brings out the best in Apple's latest desktop device, providing both form and function for professionals, creatives, and tech-savvy users alike.